Hi guys. So today we are going to look at like how you can bring your own chat interface with search that is not tracked. So basically like you're just going to replace ChatGPT. So for example, if I just ask ChatGPT like what is Claraverse? So what it does is it will go and search the web and also bring this. But the problem is ChatGPT stores what you search for and what you're chatting with it. So basically it makes the whole privacy part a bit concerning. So that's why like today I've made this video. I just wanted to make sure like how easily you can just bring this into your system. So all you have to do is just go to claraverse.space. So this site will give you an download Clara button. So all you have to do is just click on Windows and you will download an particular application. So basically what this does is it will give you an application that has models in it that runs on your PC, as well as it has its own search as well. So basically it offers you free search plus LLM. So basically like you can use it as an alternative for ChatGPT. Not only that, you would have seen open web UI and stuff like that. So it's similar to that, but there is a not lot of setup that you have to do. There are only two requirements for this to happen. First, you have to download this and install it. I have installed it. And you need one more thing that's called Docker. So why this is needed? Because like Clara ships with something called you know an MCP that creates an container for you. All you have to do is just click on to download Docker setup and pick your what is that operating system. So let's say you have Windows, just click on it and install and you will have something like this. And once you launch Clara, it will manage everything. Once you launch this, just click close and it will just be in your system tray. It's not going to disturb you. So once that is done, go to Clara, click on this, and you will see a page like this. So now what you have to do is just click on start. Let's skip through everything pretty fast and just give the name as Clara@gmail.com. And it's never going to be shared again. I'm the creator of Clara. And this is only going to be used by the chat. It's not going to share it anywhere and doesn't have any authentication or something like that. It's completely a free app. So you can just use it right away. And just let's click next, next, next. And here like if you are going to use a local model, just download it once it asks you for. Currently I already have some models, so it just picked up. And we're just going to click on continue, 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 launch Clara. And you have chat. So all you have to do is just go to agents. So there is two modes here, chat and agents. Agents is the mode that will enable chat with search for you. And you can see there is an MCP logo here. All you have to do is just click on this and enable it. Make sure this is enabled. It comes enabled by default, but if it doesn't, just click on this. And you can also download all sort of MCPs from here. So you can see there is puppeteer, browser MCP and stuff like that. And you can also install a lot of things that if you wanted to. But we will just if it is not started, just click on start and you can test. It has all this tools already available. So now let's pick a model which is quite small that runs on CPU, but it works well as well. So I'll just go and click on Jan Nano, which is like just 4 billion models, which means it's going to run on your CPU and it's going to work well. And also feel free to add your own providers in the settings if you wanted to. For example, if you have Olama or like you have OpenRouter or you have any custom OpenAI supported APIs, you can always click on that provider and give the API key and it's going to work. If you don't have an API key, just leave it as it is and you can just click on add provider. So once that is done, let's ask it to search for something. Um, Tell me what is Claraverse. So now what it's going to do is it's just loading the model into your CPU or GPU or whatever that you're running it. And once that is done, now it's going to go and search about Claraverse and it's going to provide the results. So you can see that it just went and searched about Claraverse, and it got the result. So the app, basically, I started things that, okay, I don't know what is Claraverse, let's go and check the web for it, and it just brings you that. So you can do this endlessly. You're not going to need any API key or anything like that. It probably takes you 2 minutes, and I would say that it's worth it, because like you get free search and also a local LLM where you can ask any sort of question which is not going to be stored on any cloud servers. So how cool is that? So let me know like anything else that you would like to see in this Claraverse. There are a lot of pretty features in this particular application, and in the future videos I will be explaining one by one. There is automations, agents, and also image generation, stuff like that. Feel free to explore Claraverse, or you can stick to chat and it's going to have basic stuff covered. It basically like it's good as your mission gets. And also if you have an API key, you can always use them to make it as much as powerful as OpenAI or Claude or anyone else. So, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe. I'm going to put a lot of videos about like how you can make your desktop into an AI workstation where you have image generation, agents, workflow automations, and also RAG as well. So, thanks for watching. Until then, bye.